Welcome to Bishop State Community College. I'm Chef Gabi Wilson over the Culinary Arts program, and we're going to do a series of videos of nutritious food that's also low cost and that you'll want to eat. So come cook with us. Next, we're going to make spicy buffalo broccoli bites. The idea of this is making something crunchy that's satisfying for your snack needs, and spicy helps create a feeling of awakeness in your palate. It helps satisfy a craving. We're going to use something like broccoli that is inexpensive, readily available, and a powerhouse of nutrition. Broccoli is full of fiber and vitamins and minerals that are going to help you feel full longer too. And instead of frying, we're going to bake it today. So what we'll do is we'll take a little bit of pan spray. We're going to spray our sheet tray or our cookie sheet, and you can put some foil down to make cleanup easier. And we're going to take the broccoli. We've got it broken into some florets that will be easy to coat, and you can break some of them down. Right, you can get those pre-bagged florets at the grocery store. You can buy ahead of it and just cut it down to little pieces. And we'll dip it in eggs to get it nicely coated. And then we'll put it in some breadcrumbs. There's salt and pepper in the breadcrumbs to create a little bit more flavor also. Use a wet hand to move it in the eggs and a dry hand to move it in the breadcrumbs. That way you can keep your whole setup nice and clean. Just want to really coat it on there because this is our crunch factor. This is what makes it exciting. So we can do a few of them. And we'll turn the oven on to 400 degrees. And when they go in the oven, they're going to go in there for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how quickly they brown. When they're done, they're not going to be soggy, steamed broccoli that's mushy that you might remember from cafeteria meals. They should have some of their natural texture so that there's still good fiber content. The thing with vegetables is the longer we cook them, the more of their vitamins we cook away. And so we want to try to, for most vegetables, especially our green ones, maintain their freshness. And the green vegetables specifically, they should stay bright green when they're cooked. So we'll do a whole tray of them this way. And we'll throw them in the oven, and when they're done, they'll look like this. So here's our finished broccoli, right? It's got good crunch to it. You can see nice browning. It doesn't have to be perfectly brown all around. If you want to get a little bit more color, you can just do a little bit of pan spray and put them back in the oven. But these will have a lot of great crunch. And then we've made a hot sauce just like you would any other buffalo sauce for wings. It's some Frank's Red Hot is my brand of choice. A little bit of butter, a little bit of lemon juice, and some black pepper. And now we've got a dipping sauce. You can go as far as to toss the broccoli in it if you want to be more like a chicken wing experience. You could serve it with a little bit of ranch dressing or blue cheese. And this will make a great side dish too. Great barbecue, picnic, tailgate type of food. But really just a nice snack that gets you some of the foods that you need while being low cost and exciting.